Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. If in case you're not subscribed to my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Today in our chutney series, we're gonna see how we could prepare a Mangalore style Mavinakayi chutney. That's gonna be a mango chutney. I've taken a mixer jar. We will add half raw mango which is diced and kept, 3 green chilies, 1 inch of ginger chopped, 1 whole coconut grated, salt for taste. We will grind this into a coarse paste. Your Mavinakayi chutney is ready. Unlike other chutneys, this chutney tastes good without the seasoning, but if in case you love to season it, you can always go ahead and season it. If in case you missed out the ingredients, please do find the ingredients in the description below. Hope you loved my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.